गुड मॉर्निंग कलाई। गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग गायत्री। गुड मॉर्निंग अर्चना। गुड मॉर्निंग अर्चना। two Archanas are there. Good morning Priyanka. Just wait for 5 minutes. We will see. Wait for some time, so more people, more people will join, and we will start. Okay. Good morning, Girija. Great guys, let's start. Let's start with our warm up of the day. So, are you guys ready? Just message me that you are ready for warm up. You are ready for today's workout, and we will start. Okay guys, let's start with our warm up. Okay, so first warm up is wrist rotation. Okay, so we will do that. Just move it 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Okay, do the wrist rotation 20 times. And then we will move to our second round of warm up, that is soldier rotation. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Soldier rotation is in same way, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, then anti-clockwise. Okay, do it. Then we will move to our third round of warm up. This is for our flexibility of wrist and flexibility of soldier, so that we will be ready for our main movement. So are you guys done? We will not take much break. So the whole concept is we need to sweat. So just finish your warm up as soon as possible. Then we will move to our main movement. Okay, so I am going to show you the third round of warm up. Are you done with? Okay, so I am going to show you the third round of warm up, that is the spot jogging. Okay, you will jog on your spot. I forgot to switch on the music. Just a minute. This music will give you energy with your workout. Okay, so do it. Finish it. Finish spot jogging. Then we will move to our next round of warm up. This is our toe touch. So first you need to touch your right hand to your left leg and left hand to your right leg. Stretch your leg. Touch your right hand to your left leg. Stretch as much as possible, as far as possible. Okay? Do it like this. So this is for flexibility of our shoulder muscle, arm muscle and our upper body. So let's just finish your warm up, fourth round of warm up. Then we will go to next warm up. Then we will go to next movement, next main movement. Okay. So I'm going to show you the last round of warm up. Okay, that is jumping piece. Okay, you need to stretch your hand like this, and for beginners it is like this. And for advanced people, like this. People who have knee pain, joint pain, they can do like this. And rest of the people do like this. Just keep breathing while you are doing jumping. Okay, and our body is ready for our main movement. And if you are done with your warm up, then just message me that you are done with your warm up. Then we will move to our main movement. So are you guys done with your warm up? Just message me that you are done with your warm up. Take some water. Great. Okay, everyone is done with warm up. So move to our first movement of our first round of main movement. So I'm going to show you. We will do mountain climber today. So mountain climber, I'm going to show you how to do it. You have to sit like this. I hope I am visible to all of you. And start like this. Just feel the pain in your thigh. No pain, no gain. So just feel the burn in your thigh, in your arm, and continue. Okay. We will take little break of 10 seconds. Then we will move to our second main movement. Okay, so ready for second main movement. So we will do today push up. Okay, so I am going to show you push up.
Coloring your hair, go for Begin Men's Hair Color. It covers grease perfectly for a darker look. Begin, go for better.
Keep breathing, just keep breathing while you are doing. Okay, do it for 20 times and feel the pain in your arm, in your thigh. Okay, do it for 20 times and message me how many times you have done. Just message me how many times you have done your second round of main movement. Then we will go to our third main movement. Great. 25, 20. Superb, Gayatri. Done. Kalai, 18. Superb. Okay. So we are going to third main movement, that is toe touch. So you have to lie down on the floor and raise your leg and try to touch your toe. Okay, it is very good workout for your belly fat. Okay, 35, Archana, you are superb. You are winner. 35 you have done. Okay, so third round is our toe touch. So do it toe touch. So I am going to show you. Raise your leg like this, lie down on the floor and try to touch your toe. Do it and feel the pain in your belly. Yes, yes. Yes, Khushbu. So we are doing third round of third main movement, Khushbu. Toe touch. Just feel the pain in your belly. Okay, it is very good exercise for to reduce our belly fat. Like ladies have problem of most ladies have this problem of belly fat. So this mountain climber, toe touch, these are very good exercise for to reduce our belly fat. Okay, just finish it and take break of 10 seconds, and we will do our second round of main movement. Okay, so are you guys done? Are you guys sweating? Okay, all are busy in doing workout. I understand. Okay, so take break of 10 to 15 seconds, and we are ready for our second round of warm up, second round of main movement. Okay, so in second round we will do same thing, our mountain climber and push up and our toe touch. Okay, so are you guys done? Just message me that you are done with your first round of main movement. Hi Piyu, join with us. Need more burn. Okay, we are ready for more burning. So do second round little faster and feel more pain in your belly, your arm. Okay, so we are done. Gayatri done. Okay, great. Priyanka done. So we are ready for our second round. Okay, do it second round little faster mountain climber. Okay, okay, so second round of first movement is done. I am feeling the pain in my stomach. Are you guys feeling the pain in your stomach, in your belly?
Took it on. Tinkering, magic making, always hungry for better. Telling your story.
Okay, so we are moving to our second main movement of second round. Okay, push up. We will do push up again, little faster than before. Do it and feel the pain in your arm muscle, okay, and in your upper body. You guys done with your second main movement of second round? Then we will move to our third main movement of second round, that is toe touch. Okay, little faster than before. Raise your leg. Awesome, Gayatri. Okay, just feel the burn in your stomach, in your belly, and we are done with our second round of main movement. So are you guys done? Then we will move to our third round. Are you guys sweating and ready for third round? Takes 10 to 15 minutes of break, and we will do our third round. Sip some water, okay, and do your third round. So second round you are done. Just message me that you are done with your second round. Sweat, burning. Yes, our main goal is to burn fat. If you guys sweating, then you're in right track. Okay, our 10 to 15 minute break is over. Then we are ready for our third round. Okay, third round of mountain climber. Okay, so do it again. Third round. Okay, Sophia, nice to see you. Okay, so just ready for your third round. Okay, Okay. So first movement of third round is done. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Don't stop breathing while doing workout. Okay. So we are done with first round of third movement and we are moving to our second main movement, that is push up.
Remember the dream? You took it on. Tinkering, magic making, always hungry for better. Telling your story, the story of better. So when coloring your hair, go for Begin Men's Hair Color. It covers grease perfectly for a darker look. Begin, go for better.
Okay. So it will strengthen your arm muscle. Okay. Do it at your own pace. I'm sweating and I'm burning fat. I hope you guys are doing the same. So we are done with our second main movement of third round and we are moving to our third movement of third round. Okay, that is toe touch. Straight your leg. Touch it, try to touch your toe. Oh, nice, Gayatri. Your avatar is so nice. Okay. So, we are done with our third round. Just message me how many times you have done third main movement and we will go to our cool down. Excellent burning. Start burning. Great. That is our main aim, to burn fat. You're in right track, Gayatri. So we are moving to our cooling down. Okay, Priyanka done, Gayatri done, and what about rest of the people? Just message me that you are done. 25, 15, 25. Awesome. Kalai 25. Superb. Guys are rocking. Okay, so we are done with our main movement. We will do our cool down. Okay, so I am going to show you the first movement of cool down. It is arm swinging. Okay, swing your arm like this. Keep breathing and feel the coolness in your body. Okay. Okay, so first movement of cool down is done. We will go to our second movement of cool down. Okay, so are you guys done with your first cool down? We'll move to our second movement of cool down. Okay, so okay, we will do quad stretch. Just bend your one leg. Okay, and feel the coolness in your leg, in your thigh. Keep your hand like this or this. Okay, do it in other side. Done. Okay, are you guys done? Okay, so we will do our third cool down. Third cool down is our shoulder stretch. Okay, okay, this is for your arm muscle. Then we will move to our last round of warm up. Last warm up, that is child to cobra. Okay, so this is your cobra position. Just feel the coolness, guys. We are done with cobra position, then we will move to our child position. We are done for our day. This is the most relaxing position, child cobra position. Good morning, Priyanka. Okay, so we are done with our fat burning workout today. So how you guys are feeling? Just message me. Message me how you guys are feeling. Okay, so we are done. Okay, so if you're good sweat out, awesome Girija. So if you're doing workout for your weight loss and for most women have a problem of thyroid, PCOD, and this obesity. Okay, so this workout is like it will work in those in those to solve those problems. Okay, it will be helpful for your weight loss. It will solve your PCOD problem. It will solve your thyroid issue. Okay, if you will go to doctor, then what doctor will say? You lose weight and your thyroid problem will be solved. Okay, my doctor advised me same thing. You lose your weight because my thyroid was in borderline sometime. So what doctor advised me that lose your weight, and I did workout. I lost my weight, and everything is normal. So do workout and keep focus on your diet and healthy diet and nutrition, and everything will be good. Okay, so we ladies need to take care all these things, because we have this thyroid problem, PCOD problem. Most women have this problem. Even after pregnancy, most people have this weight gain, obesity problem. Okay, thyroid problem. So do workout regular basis. Okay, you need to sweat. Okay, so awesome guys. Thanks for joining with me. Morning 6 a.m. You guys are superb, and we are done. So bye guys. See you tomorrow, same time, 6 a.m. Okay, join with me. Bye. Thank you Kalai. Thank you Khushbu. Thank you Gayatri.